First of all, I want to welcome everybody here to the opening of SciSafe. This is a really big day for East Brunswick, and I think actually the community and the region at large. As many of you who are here know, East Brunswick is part of the Middlesex County and the region that has seen really a birth of life science companies that have come to the area and have grown everywhere from starting out at the investigation stage all the way to large companies that the world knows. And clearly all of those industries, whether they're personal care, healthcare, cell technology, they all have an infrastructure that helps support it. And as I understand it, SciSafe is into the storage and keeping of a lot of this bioinformation and biotechnology and cell therapies, that vaccines and medications that all have very specific temperature guidelines. I think we all learned that during COVID when the vaccines came out. And so it's allowed your industry to have a huge influx and become a significant part of this growing part of our economy. So we're thrilled to welcome you here. You're in a great location, and Garrie, I was hoping that you might be able to tell our residents and those that will be listening exactly where you're located, a little bit more about the technology and what you offer here, and how it fits in the greater scheme of life sciences here in our region.
Great. Thank you, Mayor. New Jersey has been just a wonderful home for SciSafe over the last 15 years. It really has allowed us as an organization to become what we are today as we roll into the next phase of what this company is going to be. And we're so happy to be here in East Brunswick with a great team. A couple of things that were so important to us when we were trying to find the right location for the next stage of our organization was we have to stay close to our team. This company is founded by the team. Otherwise, we're a beautiful warehouse, but we're a warehouse. So the team was critical to us. Second thing that was super important to us was the workforce that we could attract to come and work with us here and add to this truly excellent team that we have here today. Perfect location for us here. The city's been extremely supportive to us, and we just can't wait to see where this journey takes us now. What do we do as an organization? We store the most precious materials for our clients, be it the earliest stage research through to a clinical trial that's being worked with patients on what outcomes they'll have, all the way through to a cell and gene therapy treatment that is delivered to a patient at a doctor. So we get to see the evolution of medicine throughout our organization, and we really get to be able to help and affect better medical outcomes. So we're super excited to be here. We can't wait to see what we can do here in East Brunswick with this phenomenal team, and thank you for such a warm welcome.
We have a whole bunch of people that are here to welcome you, whether they are part of the public servants who are helping to have this industry grow, or people that are working in agencies within the state that support this industry. I just want to highlight, of course, the fact that you mentioned that one of the key reasons that you're here is because of the workforce. And as we learn as redevelopment and development in the community continues and grows, that one of the key factors that a lot of people look at isn't necessarily the cost any longer of a building, because those get spread out over a long period of time. It's workforce and location.
Right.
And we have, fortunately, both of them right here in New Jersey. So I'm going to give each of the folks that are here an opportunity to welcome you here as well. And starting on my right with our Assemblyman, Stanley, who represents this district and our town, by the way.
Garrie, thank you, Mayor. Garrie, first of all, I want to thank you for choosing East Brunswick for your site, and congratulations on your expansion and growth. I heard your story is fantastic. Looking forward to seeing how you help this community and help this community grow. And we see so many great things, opportunities your way coming, and we look forward to working with you. On behalf of the state legislature, I do congratulate all of you and your whole team.
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
Absolutely.
Sterley.
Rob Zuckerman, the Economic Development Officer here in town, and we really are excited to have you here. This fits into a lot of what our goals have been and the Mayor's vision for bringing biotech industry and similar types of industries to East Brunswick. We are fortunate that we have the location already, and we also have the workforce that makes it happen. So we really appreciate that you did choose East Brunswick and you call this home now, and we look forward to you being here for a long time.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi there, Debbie Hart, President and CEO of BioNJ. Garrie, thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. Congratulations on this really exciting day. Mayor, congratulations to you and to you, Assemblyman, and to you, Rob. You know, the work that you all do, in addition to Choose New Jersey, the New Jersey Economic Development Authority, is just so critically important. We represent more than 400 companies in the ecosystem here in New Jersey, and we are, and they represent patients worldwide. They're helping patients worldwide. So what you're doing along the way, the continuum of drug development, is critically important. So rather than have them have to go to XYZ state across the country or even the next state away, this is really important that they have such easy access to what you're doing. So we're very grateful. I've been to a couple of ribbon cuttings just since Labor Day. I'm always happy to go to them, and may we have many, many more in New Jersey. So cheers to you, cheers to New Jersey, and thank you so much.
As John Coelho, as the Senior Advisor for the New Jersey Economic Development Authority, I just want to welcome SciSafe here and the whole team. It's really wonderful you're here. And, you know, I point to two things why biorepositories are so important dispersed across the state. One is proximity to biotechnology, which we're seeing coming back in a big way and starting to take root in New Jersey again after 3 years. And two, a really important factor is proximity to the clinics and specialty centers for patients, whether it's a CAR-T therapy, whether it's a cell and gene, next generation cell and gene therapy that you're looking at designing. The proximity is so very important. And these centers of excellence across the state will shorten the distance between how quickly patients can access their therapies very quickly. So congratulations, it's really a great fit for the diversification of our state from what it was. Thank you.
I'm Carolyn Bars, and I'm here with my friends from the Regional Chamber of Commerce. I'd like to welcome you. We're excited that you're here. It's a wonderful addition to East Brunswick. We hope you'll join our chamber and be a part of it. And thank you again.
Welcome, SciSafe, to Middlesex County. In absence of my colleague, I'm going to use the word the greatest county. And, you know, everybody already mentioned the location and the workforce, but we have a wonderful ecosystem. And I represent the Office of Business Engagement, part of the economic development in the county. So please feel free to reach out to us as your local government resource. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, Rachel Cohen. I'm with Choose New Jersey. So Garrie team, thank you so much for choosing New Jersey and continuing to expand here. You've made my life easier actually, because centers like yours make more companies look to come to New Jersey because of the proximity to a great facility just like this. So firstly, again, just wanted to say thank you. And if there's anything else, the state is here to provide assistance and help you grow beyond the walls of just East Brunswick, but we're glad to have you here in the center of the state. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
So I think with all that, we're only left with one last order of business.